Tired of those stubborn gray hairs making your beard look scraggly? What if you could restore your natural beard color quickly and easily, without harsh chemicals or messy routines? Just For Men Mustache Beard in dark brown offers exactly that. An effortless way to bring back a fuller, more youthful look to your facial hair. This product isn't just about covering gray. It's about enhancing your beard's natural thickness and vibrancy. With a simple brush-in gel formula, you mix the color base and developer. Apply with the included brush, wait 5 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. The result? A well-groomed, even beard that looks naturally darker and healthier, without the hassle or damage caused by ammonia-based dyes. What sets this apart is its nourishing blend of protein, vitamin E, aloe, chamomile, biotin, and coconut oil. These ingredients condition coarse facial hair as you color, leaving it softer and thicker after every use. Plus, it's made in the USA with an ammonia-free formula designed specifically for men's facial hair. You won't just hide grays, you'll actually improve the look and feel of your beard. Choosing the right shade is simple with 12 options ranging from blonde to jet black. If you're unsure, start with a lighter shade. You can always darken later. Each box offers up to 3 applications, so you can touch up as your gray hairs begin to return. This product works on all types of facial hair, beards, mustaches, soul patches, and goatees, making it a versatile solution for any man looking to maintain a sharp, natural look. Users across the U.S. praise its ease of use and natural results. One reviewer said it's perfect for hiding gray without mess or fuss, unlike other products that leave unwanted stains or unnatural colors. Just For Men Mustache Beard delivers consistent, believable color that blends seamlessly with your natural hair. If you want a straightforward way to refresh your beard and say goodbye to gray without complicated routines, this is worth a look. Just remember to perform a skin allergy test 48 hours before use and always wear the gloves provided to avoid staining. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll get the best results every time. Ready to bring your beard back to life? Just For Men Mustache Beard in dark brown is designed to fit your routine and your style. It's fast, effective, and formulated with care to keep your facial hair looking thicker, healthier, and naturally vibrant. Try it when you're ready to ditch the gray and step out with confidence.